Hello everyone, this is Scott Nash with thecreativecosmos.com. I am here with Anthony Paul, Chairman of the Board of the Denver Film Society, and we are at the Argonaut Filmmakers Lounge here for the this year's 37th Stars Filmmaker Festival. It's on the 16th Street Mall, and talking to filmmakers, sponsors, everything like that. Tell us a little about your involvement with the festival and with the Film Society.
So I've been a member of the board since 2010, so it's been a long run now, about 4 years. The board is grown to, we're about 23 board members currently. This is, as you said, the 37th annual film festival here in Denver. It's a great cultural event in Denver, and you know, shockingly enough, not many people know about it, and every time I can tell somebody about it, I say, can I have 5 minutes to tell you about a great event? And so our average attendance right now is about 50 to 60,000 on an annual basis for the film festival. So we want to get it to 100 wow. and bigger.
And do you know how many filmmakers are participating this year in the film?
There's over 200 films, generally speaking. I think it's about 225, somewhere around there. Britta Erickson, our festival director, she can give you a firm answer on that. And we have film directors from all over the world coming in, producers, all parts of the filmmaking community coming to Colorado, which is great for tourism, the Visitors Bureau, etc. And so it's as I said, it's a great cultural event that happens on an annual basis.
Fantastic, fantastic. And I know when I went to it several years ago too, it was at the Tivoli, and now it's at 2 locations here. Right now we're at the Pavilions down on the 16th Street Mall, like I mentioned, and then there's also the Stars Film Center. They're on Colfax, right across from East High School. So, well, thank you very much, Anthony. Look forward to catching some of these films.
I appreciate it. It's the C Film Center.
C Film Center.
Anna and John C. The great donors that helped us get that.
Thank you for the clarification.
No problem at all. It's a lot of names floating around.
There's a lot of names floating around.
Thank you for being here. I appreciate it.
Perfect. Thank you. And cheers. If you are looking for someone creative here in Denver, be sure to check out denvercreativedirectory.com. On there you'll find a ton of creatives and as well as businesses in a wide variety of creative industries that have solutions for what you're looking for. So thanks so much. Cheers. Life is grand in the creative cosmos.